What's going on, Crypto Yang gang? It's your boy Crypto Yang. As you can tell, I'm a little excited at this moment. Reason why, I am on China Petro, okay, petro-china.company. All right, this started 5 days ago. We got in early, real early. If you came with me, you're riding with me, then we might be looking good right now. I don't know yet. We're gonna find out though. I logged in just now. I didn't log in since this morning. And look at that account balance. My deposit was $100. Active deposit said $100. Now my earned total says $500. $12 came from referrals. I appreciate you guys who used my link to sign up and who gave it a shot. I pray that you guys get your withdrawals, and I pray that I get my withdrawal. Didn't think this was ever going to come, but this is looking pretty good at the moment. So what I'm going to try to do now is I'm going to try to withdraw. So $501 of Ethereum, $11 of Bitcoin, pending withdrawals is 0. All I have is the Ethereum account. Try to send that. Let's see if I can do $512. Put in a bullshit, little message to make them want to send it. But I really will turn around and put more back in if they were to withdraw, if I were to get this money. And as a matter of fact, just to give them a little bit of just to show them some good faith, I'm gonna go ahead and just do $400. I'm gonna leave $112 in here, and I'm gonna see if I can get my $400 worth of Ethereum right now. So Ethereum account, $400, no fees, $400 credit. This is how much Ethereum that is. Let's go ahead and double check that real quick. That's worth $3.99. That's good enough for me. And of course my node is here. I'm gonna click confirm. And so my pending withdrawals are now $400. I still have $112 in here. It's beautiful, beautiful. Of course, it says that here, earn total, pending withdrawal. So, withdrawal history, $400. There's no transaction yet. Earning history, $500. Got a little referral commission, little referral commission, little referral commission. Deposit and transfer from the external processing was that $100 that I sent. Okay. Made this deposit according to their time, January 28th, 7:08 p.m. 2 days later, 7:08 p.m., I got my money. Now, whether this is real or not, whether they're going to send me my money or not, is still up in the air. We're going to find that out here soon. So, stay tuned for another update. I'm going to keep my eye on this all night, and even in the morning, and even tomorrow, until I see that they've made or processed my withdrawal, and it's in my Ether wallet. We're gonna find out. So, subscribe to this video channel. Subscribe to this channel, Crypto Yang Gang channel. Like the video. Comment if you want to comment about your experience. We'll talk about it. And share this video. Let people, see that there's a possibility that this might be working. It's only been 5 days. You never know. So, Crypto Yang Gang signing out. Subscribe. I will be doing 100 subscribers giveaway. So once I hit 100 subscribers, let me rephrase that. Once I hit 100 subscribers, I will do an Ethereum giveaway that I'll announce on whatever video comes out after the 100 subscribers. All right, and stay tuned. I'm feeling positive right now. Hopefully it works out.